That's right, baby. Anatola from Audio Direct, and the project has started on this beautiful Maserati with the MC Stradale kit. This thing is awesome, man. This thing is awesome. Check this out. Thing looks like it's moving like 100 kilometers an hour, even while it's stationary. A lot of work gonna go into this thing. As you can see, the technicians are at hand. Doors are all stripped out, and the Android plug and play unit with CarPlay has arrived as well. So we'll see how this thing transforms, but you can see the before and certainly we'll be bringing you the after effects as well as we crack on with yet another plug and play Android conversion for this beautiful Maserati.